Hi everyone, my name is Mamta Motiani. I'm from Designs by Mamta, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make a quadruple treble. Okay, so let's begin. To do that, I'll be using a size 4 worsted weight yarn. This is Karen Simply Soft light green color, and I'm using a 5 mm crochet hook. Okay, so let's begin. To begin with, I'll start with 20 chains. Okay, and now quadruple treble is a long stitch. Okay, it's let me show it to you. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Okay, now if it is a DC, then the increase is 3 chains. The length which double crochet takes is 3 chains. For treble it is 4 chains. For double treble it is 5 chains. For triple treble it is 6 chains. And for quadruple treble it is 7 chains. Okay, so this is the space, this is the length which a quadruple treble takes. Okay, so let's start the quadruple treble, and to do that I'll do the yarn over 5 times over the hook. 1 2 3 4 and 5 times. Okay, now because it is this long, I'll leave 7 chains in the beginning. 7 chains in the beginning. I'll do the next stitch in the next chain or next stitch. Okay, so you insert the hook, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, and yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook. So you get this long textured stitch. Okay, let's do it one more time. Yarn over 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Insert the hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull yarn through, and now yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, and yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops. See, so this is how it looks. Okay, now usually when it is done, when we do a double crochet, we don't take much care about how loosely or tightly we hold the hook and the stitches below that. But for this you need to be careful. Okay, let's see, like if you're doing a DC, you do it like this. You're not too careful. Okay, you don't have to be too careful, but for this you have to be careful. Otherwise, what happens if I don't take much care about it, what happens is, like 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and it is loosely. Okay, and I just do it like this. Oopsie, see. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, here we go. You see this? The length of the bar, the post, it increases if you do it loosely. So I'll show you a way in which it can be done, properly and snugly. Okay, so you have to hold the hook, the yarn overs very snugly, not tightly, snugly. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. See, I'm holding it snugly. Then I insert the hook in the next stitch. Okay, and see how close the yarn overs are to the stitch in which I'm inserting the hook. Okay, yarn over, pull yarn through, Okay, it has to be closely, otherwise it will be the stitch will be loose. Okay, yarn over, pull yarn through, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through, 2 loops on hook. You see this nice bumpy and textured stitch. So 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and I even hold this. I even hold the stitches below in which I'm making the quadruple treble. So insert hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops, 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 yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook. Okay, see, this is how it looks. So I have used this stitch in one of my patterns, one of my recent patterns. This is the first time I am using this stitch in a pattern. So let me show you the pattern. Okay, this is the pattern. This is called Key to My Heart. Okay, Key to My Heart necklace. And I have used this stitch in this portion where there is a heart like design. Okay, I just wanted to show you this thing and how it is done. I hope this helps you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you all.